Hello guys, how you guys doing? In today's video we are going to talk about the newest Photoshop 2023 beta that came along with the Firefly AI. The AI that seems very much helpful. It can do a lot of basic human things such as removing people, removing background, or even expanding your picture and filling the gap with the AI, which is kind of helpful for the amateur. Well, it's still the beta version, so it's not that smooth, but we all know that we all want to use it, right? So right now I'm going to share this version of the Photoshop, not quite the version of the Photoshop, not the beta one, but before the beta one. I'm going to share to you, and it's completely free. We can use the Firefly in it too. So without further ado, I'm gonna open my Photoshop. Okay, right now we have the picture right here, and we are going to remove this little body right here. All right, this is very easy. It's very easy. Wise remove 100%. Well, it's still AI, so as you can see, this part is not that smooth, but the little body has gone. Right. So the videos actually end here. You can download it in the link below. But if you do not know how to download it, and alright, so this is the link that you guys will get in the video. You guys want to download it, and then head to the WinRAR and want to extract it. After you guys extract it, you guys want to mount it, alright? And after that, let's press setup here and then let the programs do its thing. Then after that, your Photoshop will get installed. And tutorial: do not do anything. Let this tab help and sign in. I already signed in, so I don't need to sign in. Sign in. Now many people got the problem here, which they cannot sign. I suggest you to download this. Okay, it's a warp. It's basically just move your DNS. It's actually much safer than the Yuga one. So download this, bring it on, and sign in. Don't forget to check your firewall in case there is a thing that block your Photoshop. So the next step is you want to download the Firefly. After that, you want to open the file, of course, and then install this guy by run as administrator. Okay, then just install it until there's a pop-up that tells you that the extension is already installed. So after that, you'll be good using the Photoshop beta, and it should be no problem later on. So if you guys have another problem, head down to the comment link and ask me. Maybe I can help you with some solution. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys doing well, and see you later in another video. Bye bye.